moment of pleasure to welcome Secretary Sir, all senior officers and our guests who are present here to be a part of this prize distribution ceremony. As per the directions of the Cabinet Secretariat, Swachhata Pakhwada has been conducted by Ministry of Coal, its subordinate attached offices, PSUs, during the period from 16th June to 30th June 2023. Swachh Bharat Mission is the flagship program of the government initiated by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji to fulfill the dream of Mahatma Gandhi to make Bharat clean and hygiene Bharat. In this event, PSUs of Ministry of Coal actively participated, and to analyze their activities and the initiatives taken by them, Ministry of Coal constituted a committee. Based on the assessment of the said committee, Ministry of Coal selected top 3 PSUs for their outstanding work for Swachhata Pakhwada 2023. Now I am going to announce the first prize winner, and the winner is NLCIL. Before presenting the award, I would like to share the activities of NLCIL performed during the Pakhwada. They had planted 11,390 saplings. They organized awareness session on large scale about the hygiene, harmful effects of single-use plastic, promote reusable alternatives through dance, drama, street play, competitions like essay, drawing, writing and so on. NLCIL has already put in place systematic and efficient collection, disposal and treatment of solid waste to minimize its environmental impact and promote sustainability. Now I request our Secretary Sir to present first prize to Shri M. Prasanna Kumar, CMD NLCIL.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, I am very happy to see that in this Swachhata Pakhwada, all our subsidiaries had done extremely well. And here we are giving award from the better performing units, but in terms of different ministries of government, Coal Ministry per se is doing extremely well. So Bhavani is coordinating and reporting to us and their team that our ministry's performance is among the top performers. Would you like to specify that?
In terms of waste disposal, in terms of scrap disposal, in terms of opening of new area space, and also in terms of disposal of hides, which is one of the most important things. We are almost in the top ministry in the government of India. More than, I think, 200 crores of scrap were disposed during this period of time. So we are really appreciate all the efforts of all these coal companies, NLC and also CUB for their
So meaning thereby this exemplary performance has been possible by contribution of all those who have got award here, and also all those who have not got the award but have participated. So this huge achievement is by contribution of all of you. I compliment and wish you all the best, and expect that in all such kind of the campaigns launched by Government of India from time to time, we should be involved fully and deliver to the best of our abilities. I would also like to mention now that Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is now coming to conclusion, and as the last event, Meri Mati Mera Desh campaign is being launched from 1st of September. Under this campaign, from every household, either mati or rice will be collected, and that will be collected in Amrit Kalas. These Amrit Kalas would be collected at block level, the district level, and then ultimately it will come to the capital, the national capital near our Shahid Smarak. So 21 districts where coal companies are prominently working are going to be assigned to our ministry. There this Meri Mati Mera Desh campaign in those 21 districts is our responsibility. Details thereof are being shared very soon. We are likely to get it from Ministry of Culture and Ministry of Youth Affairs and INB. So I'll request all of you that please gear up, and in that campaign also our performance should be exemplary. So with this, I once again congratulate the award winners and appreciate the work, the great work done by all of you. Thank you very much.